Hey everybody, this is a quick tutorial on how to add an environment map to your scene in Nowhere. The first thing we're going to need to do is find an appropriate HDRI. You can either convert a JPEG if you have a 360 JPEG to an HDRI, or you can find an HDRI directly. Finding an HDR file directly will definitely make the final look of the skybox more accurate to what you're seeing in the photo that you're about to convert. The file we've been working on in this tutorial is a painting, really. We're inside of painting, so we're going to go with an artist workshop for our skybox, even though you can't see it most of the time. And we don't want 4K, even though it doesn't really matter because it's just it's going to get compressed anyways when we put it through the next tool. But we can just download 4K for now, and then the IBL texture tool that turns it into an environment file will handle all of the compression. But yeah, if you do download a higher resolution file from the start to convert, you'll end up getting better results. So let's go ahead and let's just download this artist workshop file. And we'll put that over here in the artist workshop. I'll put it in my tutorials folder, that's fine. And we're going to go to the IBL texture tool. IBL. And the link will be in the guide. So all you're going to have to do is go ahead and find that downloaded file you just downloaded and drag and drop your HDR file into this online tool. It's going to take a second to process it, and it's going to spit out an environment file in a cube map form. It's going to download that, and here we are. It's going to be called environment.env, and we're going to want to put this in the world export directory. And once we do that, it will show up within Nowhere. One thing to note is that the environment must be named environment.env. If you change the name of this file, it will not work within our system. So take this file and go ahead and save it in your export folder. So I'm going to go into my world building folder. We're going to open up artistic food. I'm going to go to my export folder. In this export folder is where I'm going to save this environment map. Once that is saved, and once it is in your export folder, it will work within our Nowhere system.